Well, hello. So, back. Today we're doing the header. It's a 4-to-1 DNA motoring. It is just a super cheap. It was $100 on Amazon. Nothing great. We're gonna put that to replace our cracked one. So, stay tuned. First things first. I'm just gonna do this now. Here are the ports for the EGR. I am gonna go ahead and start this off by just welding a dime in it, or a nickel. So that way it blocks off those ports. And I can still put the tube on, and I don't have to take the entire EGR system off right now, just being lazy. That'll get that sealed off, we'll be good to go.
Oh, look at them shiny headers. We don't know what's going on here. Look inside that hole, it's smoking. Oh man. So we've got this smoking hole going on here. Let's go look at this other guy. Oh looky, I found a nickel in there. And we started the wrap process. So this is the first set. We wet it down. It's going alright. Wear gloves, boys. Hey, there's Graham. Oh my god. But the header is all fully wrapped at this point. It took a little bit longer than expected. I tried wrapping from the top down, and I think it turned out okay. So here is just a shot of the greasy engine bay after we took the old header off. It, yeah, super juicy. So we cleaned all that shit up, and then down here you'll see the old header. Course, with anything custom or anything cheap, you're gonna have to custom make it. So we had to cut this pipe down in order to make it fit. It did not fit as it was supposed to. It was a little too long, so we cut it down and then slipped it inside the sleeve. And here it is when it's done. Looks good. Nice cheapy boy. And that's where we have an exhaust leak. So look at that. Poop. So, as you can see here, it's not quite tight, even with that U-bolt on there. That's torqued down, so that is the source of our exhaust leak right now. So it's time to do the nasty with a blowtorch. Ooh, look at that cool guy. Look at his physique. He's so good looking. But he's going to go ahead and heat up this metal like he heats up the hearts of women across America. And then he got his cheap Harbor Freight welder out. And gives no shits. Yes, that was stainless steel. It is no longer stainless steel because we just globbed a bunch of crap all over it. And you know what? One day I will properly learn how to TIG, but this will do the job. It doesn't leak anymore. So let's go ahead and take a look on the inside. Oh yeah, look at that deep penetration. Look deep into my hole. Whatever, let's do a KA montage.
Alright, so the header has been on for about a week now, a little over a week. I've been fighting like little exhaust leaks here and there. The first, as you guys saw when I re-welded, the pipe was a universal thing. I had to weld it. I've got one little leak left, and they are in where I welded those bungs. Like down, you can see down here, as well as the other one. I have like pinhole leaks there, and it is it's annoying. It's really annoying. I would have to take it off and like re-weld it to actually fix it correctly, which is not going to happen. So what we're going to do instead is everybody's favorite, JB Weld. So this is the putty. I'm going to knead some up and I'm going to mash it in there, and hopefully that should fix that leak, and then we should be done.
at my turd. Alright, because of all this custom stuff. This is where we were leaking before. Poop welds there. This started working its way out. So because it's such a long deal, and because this is swivels and all that, I went ahead and I grabbed a jam nut today to put on the back of this, and hopefully that should stop everything from moving. So we're should be all set here. I'm going to turn it on here in a little bit. I was waiting for that JB weld to cure a little, but we are in there, and hopefully we're good to go. All right, so right here. Apparently, when I shuffled this over, apparently it was peeking out just like that, a little higher. And I guess since it wasn't set correctly, when I tightened it, it pushed everything out, creating a hole. So what I'm doing now is I'm just bending it all back.
Oh shit! We got the power of your girl Kathy. We're calling in some red copper so we can go ahead and get this motherfucker seated.
There's a level of fuck it when you're old. You can't like pry the stuff out anymore, and you just end up cutting old boy open because you're tired of dealing with this, and we're done with this. We're gonna make it work. Ugh. Max level, fuck it. We're done. It has, I don't know, it feels like a little leak right here or back here. I don't know. I'm not dealing with it anymore. It'll pass inspection. It'll be fine.